In this video, I'm going to show you the official, safe, Microsoft-approved way to disable Copilot permanently using settings that Microsoft built into Windows specifically for IT administrators. If this saves you from annoying AI pop-ups, please hit that like button and subscribe for more safe tech guides. Let's disable Copilot. This is the official Microsoft method used by IT professionals to disable Copilot at the system level. Works on Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education. In the search bar, type gpedit.msc. Press Enter. Click Yes if User Account Control asks for permission. The Local Group Policy Editor window opens. This looks intimidating, but don't worry, we're only changing one setting. In the left sidebar, you'll see a folder tree structure. Follow this path exactly. Click to expand, User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components. Now scroll down through the list of components until you find Windows Copilot. Click once on Windows Copilot to select it. In the right panel, you'll see a setting called Turn Off Windows Copilot. Double-click on it to open the setting. A configuration window appears with 3 radio button options. Here's where it gets confusing. Pay close attention. You'll see 3 options: Not Configured, Enabled, Disabled. To disable Copilot, you must select Enabled. Yes, I know this is backwards and confusing. Here's why. You're enabling the policy that turns off Copilot. Think of it this way. Enabled equals enable the turn off feature, Copilot gets disabled. Disabled equals disable the turn off feature, Copilot stays active. Select the Enabled radio button. At the bottom of the window, click Apply. Then click OK. The policy is now saved. Close the Group Policy Editor. You can click the X button. Now, let's hide the Copilot icon from your taskbar. Note, this doesn't fully disable Copilot, but it removes the visual clutter. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings, or click Start, Settings. Settings opens. In the left sidebar, click on Personalization. Then click on Taskbar. This opens all taskbar customization options. Scroll down until you see Taskbar Items or Other System Tray icons. Look for Copilot in the list. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Turn the toggle off. It should turn gray. Instantly, the Copilot icon disappears from your taskbar. For the policy to take full effect, you need to restart Windows. Right-click the Start button, select Shut Down or Sign Out, then Restart, or press Alt F4 on the desktop and select Restart. Wait for your PC to restart completely. Now, if you changed your mind, want Copilot back? No problem. This method is fully reversible. For Group Policy method, Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise, open gpedit.msc. Navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Copilot. Double-click on Turn Off Windows Copilot. Select Not Configured or Disabled. Click Apply, then OK. Restart your PC. Copilot is back. And there you have it, the safe, official method to disable Microsoft Copilot on Windows 11. Now, I want to hear from you. Did this method work for you? Are you happy to have Copilot gone? Do you prefer using ChatGPT in your browser instead? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this tutorial helped you reclaim your taskbar and system resources, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else frustrated by Copilot. Subscribe to the channel for more safe Windows tweaks, privacy guides, and tech tutorials that won't break your PC. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos.